Hey guys, what is going on? It has been an interesting last couple days, and I wanted to give you guys an update why there's not a vlog out and when the next vlogs are coming, etc, etc, etc. So the other day my car died. The U-joint or something underneath my car snapped, and I had to have my car towed, so therefore I don't have a car. Right now the only car we have is Vance. Hi Vance, say wave to the camera. Hi.
Hello.
And so we are doing what we can. There may not be a vlog like this week. It might be pushed to next week or the following week. I'm sorry, but I'll try to keep you guys updated with this on the shorts. But once I get my car back, we'll get back to normal. It's kind of hard to put interesting content out when I have no vehicle to go anywhere. So anyway, love you all. Talk to you soon.